This is the wire section. The rest is all garbage. Pop a green board out. Well, I can't even call it a green board. Oh, here you go. Actually, it's not bad. Actually, I see some gold here, some monolithic capacitors. So not horrible, but nothing too special. What do we have here? Just some paperwork, some more garbage. Alright, so we got this camera. It's missing the shell, I guess. Again, I have no idea if this works or not. I'm definitely not qualified to test it. So the wire here has gold tips, so I'm gonna cut these out, put the wire with the wire, gold tip connectors with gold tip connectors, send them to board sort. Hunk of plastic out. So definitely have some medium grade board here. And some wiring, and again we got another green board here. Let's try to get this all apart. There you go. Got the wires. There you go. So we got this. This is going to be some aluminum. All you have to do is find a security bit, actually security screw with a bit to get the camera head off. There you go. So we got a hunk of aluminum, nothing too special there. More aluminum. Then we have the camera eye, the board here. So some wire.